miles northwest of Axtell, or 11 miles southwest of Kearney, and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Nickel hail may also accompany these damaging winds. Locations impacted include Kearney, Odessa, Riverdale, and Gibbon. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 261 and 283. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Buffalo, Kearney, and Phelps.